Are you pretty? You are pretty. Take this out. Now put it back in. Now say, oh, pretty. Are you pretty? Yeah. Say, oh, pretty. You're going to say, oh, pretty. You're not going to say pretty? Say it. Say, oh, pretty. Are you pretty? Are you a brat?
No.
Yes, you are.
Hello.
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 Say twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Bunny.
You know, it's a myth that women have to gain more than men.
Mama, bunny.
Don't push the buttons.
What?
Don't push the buttons.
Hey, did you guys register for wedding gifts?
Don't push the buttons.
Mostly because people expect us to.
Elia,
We're also accepting other gifts.
don't push the buttons.
Not on the registry.
Okay, say bye-bye, Elia.
However,
Bye
Say bye, Elia.
over
bye.
money,
Bye
but
bye
we
bye.
can't really use it.
No.
Why doesn't Creighton Girl let you
Okay.
register for a toaster full of cash? Perfect. I hate registries.
Okay.
My
You
cousin
are
makes
pretty.
the most
No.
amazing
Baby.
Are you pretty, baby?
No.
registered for your house.
I'm big.
No,
Your baby.
I'm big. I'm big.
You are pretty.
No. Oh.